50 miles on a loaded bike just to freeze me nads off. But honestly, this is exactly why I ride. It's not about the miles, it's about the absolute freedom of the journey. Welcome to day 2. Oh, look at this for a stunning location. Can't argue with that. Sleeping under the stars and made it even better because it was the summer solstice. And here in Norway, I don't know if you know, it's called the land of the midnight sun. Especially further north if it doesn't set. But I was talking to a local and he was saying tonight it'll be the highest it will be, and it was pretty much light all night. It was weird, but what an experience to witness that on the summer solstice. Anyway, quick recap yesterday. I did 46 miles. It was slow going, but it was getting easier as I got going. The gradient didn't get any easier, but I was starting to settle into the pace as you do. Okay, so today roughly I want to do about 60 miles today, but got 2 bigger ascents to do. But I'm just going to get crack on. Long day today, obviously summer solstice, and it's not going to go dark, so I can ride into night. So that's where we're at. So I'll leave you to this lovely location, and I'll speak to you later. Need to go and get some water. All right, peeps, all's good. Laters. Wow. Quick update, peeps. There's a fork here. This is the main route that carries on. I'm going to take this route here. it takes us up to a place called Lampeland. Get me with Norwegian. That sounds like Oompa Loompa Land. I keep thinking a Smurf's going to jump out of bushes. Right, stop. So I'm going to go up here to Lampeland. I think it's about 3.5 miles, and then you can loop back round and join up with a path there. But there's convenience stores and food and stuff. There's nothing else that way, so I'm going to take a slight detour. But this is just breathtaking. Some of the scenery. It's been a climb right up through those forests there and all them lakes and that, but it's just a steady climb. But yeah. Whew. So let's go and see what this path's got to offer. Quick update. Just had some scanning there, nothing special. Really just to check my phone really. I went in that garage there to get a bottle of water, a little tiny bottle, 400ml, 23 kroner, which is about £9 million. Anyway, I'm heading up there. Ladies. What the fuck? That weren't fucking happening. Woo! Oh. Fucking hell, this is steep. Woo! It might be steep, but come on. Look at that. Do you know what? I've just seen a snake. Don't like snakes. It's only a little thing, but if I see another, I'll try and film it. You see it? Come on. Look at you. Final push. Wait till you see this. I'll show you in a minute. I don't think this camera does it justice. Done. Just the last little tiny bit, and then it's a massive descent. Hey, listen. I choose to do this. I push myself, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, on another note, I think I'm there. Look, I'll show you. Can you see them there? Yeah, there's loads of them. This is a military training section. Certain times of the year it's closed off, so there obviously rounds them from a machine gun. Ooh, spooky. Fucking shoot me up there, halfway up that hill. Every single time we turn around the corner there's another lake and valleys and mountains. It's special, man. What's that about? Flikas del Telemark wunser den slut. Do you get? Is this where prostitutes hang out? Right, stop messing. The good sign is that sign there is not the other way around and there's a flag up, because otherwise we couldn't have gone through, and then it would have been all the way back there to that road. That would have been bleh. So it's not. Let's carry on. I think that they've got my name on it, so I'm going to get tent up and get some tea on. Wow. Now then folks, we've hit camp, so show you, spin you around. This is where we are. Not bad, eh? 50 mile done today. It's roughly where I wanted to be, so I spotted this little pitch. I think I think it's used by locals, but I don't give a shit, man. That looks mint there. So 50 miles done, 4,500 feet of climbing again. So we're just short of 100 for 2 days, which ain't bad going. So we're well on track to get it done for. So I'm not going to make the sauna though. That's booked at tomorrow for 6, and I think it's about 60 mile away. So we'll see, but I doubt it. Anyway, I'm going to get my tea on tonight. I'm just having these. They're not dehydrated ones, even though I have some of them. I'll show you quickly because my battery's going to go, and then that's it for tonight. So I'm having these these ones, boiling bag ones. So I've got a chocolate pudding. Gone. Look at that. It's not bad. See you morning.